My gift, all I have to do is touch them with one itty-bitty finger.
Weirdo's actually with the Armed Detective Agency?
What? Sorry, I really shouldn't have asked.
Call that a punch! That wasn't even a massage.
Bandit squandering machine!
Then there's only one option.
Who the hell are you?
You're wear-tight. Throw some wear-balls.
Yeah, as if.
Allow me to answer your previous question.
Dazai, what's your take on the situation?
I'd say she's sexy as hell.
Not helpful!
For crying out loud. This is the worst day I've had in years.
Hey, don't be stealing my lines!
I'd expect no less from the guild! What amazing power!
Get off of me! You're in my way, you fool! No, you're in my